subscribe and help the channel get to 200,000 subs. Welcome to FANS Wethu TV, Capitec Premiership, Orlando Pirates 2, Sekhukhune 0. I'm joined by...
Hello Steve, how are you?
I'm good, my brother.
First of all, I want to say thank you for the good job that you're doing.
Thank you, my brother.
Canada and the US, they're always watching you. So I just landed today, as you can see, that's my passport. All the way from Canada.
Where in Canada?
Montreal.
Oh, Montreal.
Yeah, Montreal, that's where I live.
Yeah.
So I watch you all the time. There's Orlando Pirates supporter on that side, they always watch you. So they send me to give you a message. Keep up the good job for what you're doing, you and the team. From Soweto to all the way to Canada to US.
My man, do you think Drake knows me?
Of course, he does know you.
Yeah.
He actually sent me something to give it to you.
What did he say?
I'm gonna give you on Saturday.
Okay, sure.
Saturday.
Okay, sure, man. Yeah, sure.
I'm not gonna be too long for the game.
Yeah.
Second half, Peterson was in.
Yes.
You know, we need to be serious with ourselves. You know? You know, Peterson, he came to the wrong time of Orlando Pirates. The guys are very selfish. They don't want to pass the guy.
The ball.
You guys, if you guys want to see him play or score,
Pass him the ball.
Pass him the ball. The guy is moving from the center line, corner to corner. His job is not to be running, to be marking. His job is to be there to be scoring goals. You understand?
Is it jealousy, my brother?
Maybe it's jealousy. But let's see what's going to happen in the next coming game. You understand? So hopefully the team is going to fix it. But what I saw today, man, it was poor. We are winning, but we're defending. We cannot continue playing games without a number 10. We really need a number 10. If we don't have a number 10, it's going to kill us. You understand? So hopefully the boys going to do better on Saturday. See you on Saturday.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you.